Hello and welcome to the ETF Daily channel. Today is going to be a light news day with only two items, US interest rate and a pessimistic outlook on iPhone demand. Looking at the Nasdaq 100, it is down by 50 basis points to $19,420.78 at the time of recording. Today's gainers and losers in the index are as follows, with Intel being the biggest gainer and ARM being the biggest loser. First on our list, analysts and government officials are expecting the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell to cut interest rate in the upcoming interest rate decision meeting expected on Wednesday, 18th of September. Three Democratic senators are urging the Fed to act aggressively by cutting the rate by 75 basis points, a move they argue is necessary to protect the US economy. They said, quote, "If the Fed is too cautious in cutting rates, it would needlessly risk our economy heading towards a recession," unquote. They further added that such aggressive rate cut is needed as labor market is loosening, with the economy reporting some of the highest unemployment rates at 4.2% as of the month of August, and a slowing in hiring, with the non-farm payroll reporting an increase of 142,000 jobs, lower than the previous average of 202,000. Quote, "The committee must consider implementing rate cuts more aggressively upfront to mitigate potential risks to the labor market," unquote. Historically, a 75 basis point cut is larger than typical adjustments, generally reserved for drastic economic circumstances. The last time the Fed moved rates by that magnitude was back in 2022, when they hiked rates 4 times to curb historic surge in inflation. So many analysts are expecting a 50 basis point cut. This is good news for the Nasdaq 100 index, as tech stocks tend to do well in a lower interest rate environment. Our last piece of news comes from Apple, with their shares down today after an analyst from TF International Securities, Ming-Chin Kuo, issued a warning about the demand for the company's latest iPhone model. In his latest report, Kuo estimated pre-order sales at 37 million units, a nearly 13% drop from last year's iPhone 15 launch. He further added one major reason for the lower demand is that a key feature, Apple Intelligence, won't be available with the launch, but rather next month, and even then only in beta version. Additionally, Apple continues to face intense competition in the Chinese market. The news comes at a crucial time as Apple heads into the critical holiday sales period. Whether the delayed feature and market competition will continue to weigh on the company's stock remains to be seen. Alright, that is all for today. Make sure you are subscribed and have your post notifications turned on. I will see you for the September 17th episode. Thank you for listening.